Bachoy! Bach! Hi, Bach!
Addict. Hi everyone! Narinig ba yung music, Mom? Hi guys! Happy Friday! Okay, antayin ko lang si Tao. Or dapat invite ko na siya. Oh, wow!
Dapat sa maayong tayo sa dati. Hindi ito marang kasi wala pang bilis o. Maliit na kaagad.
Guys, brother, pati kita ma-invite. Are you there? Hi guys, wait a minute, kapeng mainit. Fixing lang. Nakikita niyo ba ako, guys? There. Teka ha. Kantahan naman po. Wow, thank you so much. Na-appreciate kayo, nag-request kayo ng kantahan. You know, ang kantahan din talaga ako minsan eh. So, naka-workout outfit na ba kayo, guys? Wait, hindi ko ma-invite si Tao. Muulan? No. Ay, ano ba yan? Bakit ako nag-aano? Ay, ano ba to? Parang congested yung ano, Mom. Yung anong tayo dito?
Ayaw, nag-ano ka?
Action. Guys, ayan, nandyan si brother. Wait, there. Go live. Wow, hello to our 2,200 plus. Hi, brother!
Hi.
Pasok ka na wala yung ano, pa-filter ko. Nag-filter ako eh.
Ako natural lang eh.
Taray!
Wow.
Uy, 2-8 na tayo. Hi, everyone!
Hi,
Happy
everything!
Friday!
Hi, everything!
Hi, everything! Ano yung sabi niya? Ano yung sinabi niya?
Hi, everything ang alam ko eh.
Ano yung sinabi niya, Mom? Hi, everything! How are you today? Si Ali, dapat magsabi nun. Anyway, ayan. Hi, everything! How are you today? Ano?
Are you feeling right now?
Are you feeling right now? Ano? We are the most accommodating person in the world. Persons. Anyway, guys. So, again, para po sa mga bago naming kasama, nagla-live kami. Ngayon for hashtag home but not alone. Yung phase 1 po ng hashtag home but not alone, lahat ng mga donations niyo po ay, lahat na naipon natin na donations ay napunta sa Kaya Natin, Caritas Manila, and PGH. Tama ba, Ma'am? Ayun, tama. So, since na-extend po ang lockdown, yung phase 2 ng hashtag home but not alone ay mapupunta naman po sa ating mga frontliners. So, since marami nang nagdo-donate ng mga PPE, mga mask, lahat. So, parang ang naisip ng Pop-Up Digital ay food naman para sa ating mga frontliners. So, hindi lang yung mga nasa hospitals, kundi yung mga nasa checkpoints din. Ayan. Tapos, weekly, magsisend kami ng mga list ng mga hospitals or kung saan mang checkpoints kami makakapagbigay ng food. And guys, hindi po kailangan mag-donate ng sobrang laki. 40 pesos or any amount, malaking tulong na yun. Bakit ko nasabi yung 40 pesos? 40 pesos kasi ay 40 pesos yung breakfast and then 70 pesos ang lunch o kaya dinner. But mostly, lunch ang maibibigay natin dahil meron po tayong curfew, di ba? May cut-off. So, pwedeng mag-breakfast and lunch ang maibigay nating food para sa ating mga frontliners.
Yes.
So, yun. So, guys. Hey, brother. How are you?
I'm okay. Ang init dito. Umulan na kaunti pero hindi tumuloy. So, ang humid.
Umulan dyan?
Kaunti lang.
Dito hindi. Sobrang araw. Alam mo, kaya sobrang parang umiitim kami kahit di naman kami todo nagpapaaraw. Di ba pag malapit ka sa dagat, tapos mahangin,
Yes.
nakakaitim din yung hangin, di ba? So, kahit na nandito kami sa Palawan, kahit na malapit kami sa dagat, di kami pwedeng makadagat. Because it's lockdown.
Ganun ba kaya nagiging tan?
Ha?
Ganun ba kaya nagiging tan?
Oo.
So, malapit ako sa dagat?
Sobra. Sobra. Hindi. Di ba lagi ka, yung sa, ano yun, sa Pasig ba? Ay, ano ba yun? Yung sa San Juan, yung lagi may tubig.
Basaan.
Oo, di ba?
Fiesta.
Nag-enjoy
Yes.
mo dun eh. Ano ba yun?
yes.
Masyado na tayong chumichika. So, brother, for today, more on workout tayo.
Yes.
Tama?
Yes.
Yeah. We will do a 30-minute Tabata workout. Tabata is like, how do you explain it? Hip-hop Tabata naman eh. So, medyo
Kasi
dance.
merong app na Tabata. Ang kala ko sa Tabata, yung time lahat ng workout.
Mataba na
So,
bata. Ang taba.
Tabata. So yun, naka-time lahat ng workout. So merong rest, merong proper time to work out, and then may cool down.
Yeah.
Ayun yung pagkakaalam ko. Hindi ako sure. Kung meron kayong idea kung ano yung Tabata or Tabata, just type it.
So first, Tabata workout muna tayo. Tama ba?
May stretching na ba yun?
Ha?
Or mag-stretching muna tayo?
May stretching
Mag-stretching
ata
muna tayo.
yan. May stretching naman ata. Sige.
Game.
Okay, let's go. Let's do it. Parang dumilim yung screen ko. So, music, mom. No?
Pwede. Oo.
K-pop sugar. Today we are going to be doing something you.
So kung gusto niyo itong workout to, you can just type in sa YouTube yung 30-minute hip-hop Tabata. Kung gusto niyo susundan sa ibang araw na hindi kami
So,
kasama.
that's how you say it. Tabata.
I'm not really sure kung Tabata or Tabata.
O, basta, basta, matabang bata.
Tabata.
Okay,
Let's try.
do it.
Never done before on this channel. We're doing some hip hop Tabata, so I hope you're ready to
Tabata.
get it.
Tabata.
Make sure to follow
Tabata.
for more workouts. Superhero Fitness TV. Let's go. All right, guys, let's warm it up with some head turns from side to side. 6, 7, 8, right here. Look,
Better.
look, and lead with the chin, okay? Just warming that body up, getting ready to work. Woo! Hey. And you know what? I want you guys to know we're dancing. Yeah. You don't have to be a professional dancer to get down with us, okay?
That's why I'm here.
I know. Shoulder rolls back right here. Let's go. Hit it. Back, back. Oh, yeah. And you can just have some fun with it. Don't take yourself too seriously when you are working out with me. Passion over perfection, okay? Now I'm going to explain to you how hip-hop Tabata works. But before that, we're gonna start a side lunge right here. Let's go. Side lunge. Side lunge. Yes. Okay. Hip hop Tabata works like this. I'm giving you 7 moves. Each move you're gonna do 4 rounds. Okay. Each round is 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. And what that means is you're gonna give it all you have for those 20 seconds, and in those 10 seconds you better breathe. Okay. A few more. You're gonna need it. We're gonna go into a shallow squat. Stand up right here. Shallow squat. Make sure the knees are pointing forward. And sit all the way back. Knees do not go over the toes, okay? Keep your chest up tall. Yeah, because you are proud of what you're about to do, okay? Yeah. Now go lower. Just a little bit. Yeah. So we're getting those hip flexors ready to work. Gonna do some booty popping today. You might not be used to that, but it's a good squat. Okay. You ready, Casey? No. All right. For those of you who don't know who Casey is, she is about to get it popping with us too. Yes. She be dancing, right?
Forget to breathe.
Oh, she's a professional.
A few more. We're gonna lift that leg up with the squat. Ready?
Okay.
5, 6, 7. You're gonna squat and stand. Lift that leg. 5. Yes.
Squat.
Lift it.
Squat.
Push that booty out
Lift.
when you squat down.
Squat.
Yep.
Lift. Squat.
Punch.
Lift.
Hop.
Squat.
Nice. Push those hips forward and just stand tall.
Lift.
Okay? A few more.
Lift.
Warm it up. 1 more. 3 more. 2 more. Don't be afraid. Last one. Nice. Stand it down. Okay. From the side to side. Let's get it ready. Arm circles. Big arm circles. Back. Let's go. Hit it. Back. Back. Nice. So we're working those arms today as well. Those shoulders. Nice, right? That feels good. Forward. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Take it forward. Nice. And just tap the foot. Yep. It's a little bit of a different groove, yeah? You don't get bored with that warm up. A few more. 4. 3. Nice. 2. We're gonna rock it side to side. Shoulders. Shoulder rock like this. Rock. 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 Yes. Beautiful. Come on. What you got, Casey? Oh, hey. Take it low. Just a little. 4, 3, 2.
A bit lower.
4, 3, 2. Really work that core. 4, 3, right? 2. Take it out. Yep. 4, 3. Almost there. Last one. 4, 3. Nice. 2. You got it. Last one. 4, 3, 2. Butt kicks. Get those thighs ready. Get those quads ready. Warm them up. Warm them up. Have some fun. Groove it out. Yes. A few more. Woo. Good job, guys. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Are y'all ready? Oh, yeah. You ready? I know you are. Okay. So, we're going to go to the next song. So that DJ is going to put that next song on. It's a little funky, so get ready. You can take these moves to the club. Okay, so the first move I'm going to put to you, it is a jump with twerk legs. Twerk legs, I'm going to show you, because you're like, what is that? I'm going to do your modified version, so make sure you follow her. She'll take good care of you. And we're going to take it up a little bit more, okay? So the first move is a jump and a twerk leg. You don't have to jump as high, and you're going to bring those knees in and out, okay? We're going to go 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off for 4 rounds. Let's get ready. All right. Okay. Put that timer on. 6, 7. Let's go. Hit it. Jump. Twerk. Twerk. Jump. And twist. Twist. Twerk. Hey. Nice. Woo. Good. Now this is the first round of 4. So you can get used to this movement, okay? You don't have to be crazy with it. Now, round 2 and 3, you can get a little crazy. Nice. All right, there we go. Last one. Breathe. Breathe. 10 seconds, okay? That 10 seconds goes by so fast. 4, 3. Now get it. 2 and 1. Big jump. Same move. Yes. Push those hips flexors. Push those hips forward. Nice. Twist. Yes. How you doing? Good. Breathe. All right, here we go. 4,
First step pa lang
3.
yun,
This is the battle round. Let's go.
Third set, go!
I'm going to challenge you, Casey. I want you to go lower. Or go to my legs. Let's hit it. Woo! Woo! Ah! Yeah!
Third set.
Don't you quit. Almost there. Almost there. No. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. I know. All right.
Fourth set.
Please, this is your last round.
Last one.
Here we go, ladies. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Woo! This is what you're fighting for, right? You want to be strong. Woo! Right? Come on. Woo! Yes! Woo! Come on. Ah! I'm going to take it down. Kara, what are you doing? Yeah. Yes! Ah! Last one! Good job. Woo! Break time. Grab some water. You get 30 seconds.
We have 30 seconds to rest.
Pwede pause mo muna.
Breathe. Good job, ladies. Feeling good, right? Feeling good? Good.
So,
This is
each
a
move
fun way
with 4
to get to
sets.
bottom hand. Right, you know, spiking
Wait,
out
pause
the
it.
fun moves.
Huh?
And there's so many areas to progress.
Right.
You know, so going really low or staying up high. I love how there's a progression.
Yeah, and you can.
Water
if
break,
you're
guys.
doing it, say you're doing level 3, and you need to go down to a modified version. You can do that.
Right.
Switch
In between.
so that you don't quit.
Nakita ko na.
All right. Break over. Next move. Woo, is a cross punch. So you're
Next
cross
move.
Ano yung
punching.
next? Ano yung
1,
next?
2. You're gonna come in and out. So a little small jumping jack. Arms are going back, both arms, and you're slapping the thighs. Boom. Okay. So let's try that move, just to get used to it real quick. And a 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Slap. 5, 6. Last time. 1, 2. Slap. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh. Let's go. Ready? 5.
I was like, is that
6, 7. Hit it, ladies. Hit it. Woo! Nice.
Alright.
Good.
Close.
Now, if you notice, woo, Anna's not jumping, and that's okay. So make sure you're following her. Woo. Yeah. Now, you don't have to slap the legs that hard right now. Because on round 2, I'm going to ask for you to give it to me. All right. Last one. Woo. Breathe. Good job.
Yes.
So round 2,
Second set.
give it to me. Okay? Woo.
5, 4,
Y'all ready?
3, 2.
Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Punch it out. Woo. Ha. Get low. Woo. Yes. Come on. Yes. Woo. I know. Yeah. All right, let's have some fun with that. Hit. Woo.
That's 3.
Woo. Nice. Last one. Good job. Breathe. That's 10 seconds.
Third set.
Third set?
Six.
Pamatay ka ng pang-Rambo set mamaya.
Let's go. 5, 4, 3, go.
I had to try that. It's hard.
10 seconds. Left. Oh, 5 seconons. Woo. Last one. Make it count.
Oh my gosh, that one takes a lot of brain power.
It does. But the cool
That's
thing is,
fine.
you get to practice.
Yeah.
You keep getting better, right?
Yeah, each time I feel like I'm getting better.
Fourth set.
Woo.
Fourth set?
Set.
Again, if you need to, you can hit here.
5,
Totally up to
6,
you, okay?
7, go.
Just challenge yourself. Woo! Woo! Come on. Let's challenge. Go. Ah!
Getting low.
Last one. Whoa! What are you doing to me? Good job. Good job. You get 30 seconds.
Okay, 30 seconds. Whew. On to the next move.
Make sure if you guys
Pwede
want
pause mo
this,
muna.
Start My Dance Move Work DVD. Work.
Grabe ng pause ko. Oo. Nakalive na. Nagtatabata kami. Ako naman, brother. Saan naman yung music?
Alright.
Bata-bata. Teka lang. Grabe yun, no?
Yeah.
Grabe yan.
Good yun, good.
Good. So, yung next naman. Okay, para sa mga bagong sali lang. Brother, pwede ikaw naman. Hinihingal. Teka.
Okay.
Nasa ko lang tong ano.
Explain lang po namin na, again, any amount of donation will be greatly appreciated.
Yeah.
Hindi po importante kung malaki or maliit. Kasi po pag pinagsama-sama naman po natin lahat ng mga donations natin out of our very, very kind hearts, malaking bagay na po yun. Again po, kasi ang meals po ng ating mga frontliners, pag breakfast po, 40 pesos po yun per head. And then for lunch and dinner, 70 pesos. Tama ako?
Yeah, tama.
Yeah. So, again po, ang target po natin, yung mga frontliners po na nagtatrabaho, nagbibigay serbisyo sa mga hindi pa po mas napapansin na hospitals. Yun po yung ni-research ng mga kaibigan namin. So again, you can just check yung hashtag home but not alone. Nandun po, pag pumunta po kayo sa handle ng Pop-Up Digitals. Kaya pa ba? May kita niyo po dun kung paano tayo magdo-donate.
Yeah,
Any
and
amount will do
nakapin,
po.
brother. Nakikita mo ba? Nakapin.
Yes, nakapin sa baba. Yes.
Yes. So,
Yes.
nasa baba. Ikaw magturo, nasa baba mo, brother.
Yes, ito po. Ayan po. Ayan.
Yes.
Tsaka gusto na po namin magpasalamat sa lahat po ng mga artists na nag-yes because this, ano rin po ito. Ito po ay munting tulong nila sa Pop-Up Digitals na para pa makatulong po sa ating mga frontliners. Kaya po, maraming salamat sa lahat na nag-guest. Thank you, Pop-Up Digital, Rambo, Madge, for inviting me once again.
No, thank
sana huwag
you.
kayong magsawa. Yes.
Thank you so
Nakahinga
much.
na ba kayo?
Ayan. Okay, so let's do the other, gamitan ko na ibang music.
Sige.
Okay.
Wait lang.
Wait lang, mag-ayos lang po.
Ako rin mag-a-ice kasi baka mamatay na naman yung phone
Mag-a-ice?
ko. No, papalamigin ko lang yung phone ko.
Okay. Actually, umiinit nga yung cellphone.
Yeah.
I told y'all mother, y'all can stop.
Hey! Nice one.
Anong bagay? Work it or get your freak on?
Siyempre yan, no? Tayo. So,
Work it?
ano mas type mo? I will get your freak on.
Okay. Sige. Okay. Bakit ayaw? Let's go.
Mississippi putting it down. I'm the hottest round. I told y'all mother, y'all can stop me now. Listen to me now. I'm lasting 20 rounds. And if you want me, then come on get me now. Is you with me now? The biggie bounce. I know you dig the way I switch my style. Holla, holla. People sing around. The people gather round. The people jump around. Get your freak on. Get your freak on. Get your freak on. Get your freak on. Get your freak on.
Ha! Don't forget to breathe.
That's your kid. People you don't know, me and Timberland been hot since 20 years ago. What the deal is?
Pasok ba sa music? Pasok naman! Sige.
Try natin isang music. Be
Pero
careful.
ganun lang yung steps palagi. Okay?
Alright.
Wait lang.
Nice. Hey. Hey.
This is a Missy Elliott one-time exclusive. Come on, is it worth it? Let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. It's your primitive is when yet. It's your primitive is when yet. If you got a big one, let me search it to find out how hard I gotta work. Yeah, it's your primitive is when yet. It's your primitive is when yet. I like to get to know ya so I can show ya. Put the pussy on ya like I told ya. Give me your number so I can phone ya. The girl act the same.
Freestyle muna.
Alright. Lay me on your sofa. Before you come, I need to shave my shoulder. You do what you don't, or you will I won't ya. Go downtown and eat it like a vulture. See my hips and my tips so shy. See my ass and my lips don't try. Lost a few pounds in my whips for ya. It's the kind of beat that go ba ta ta. Ta 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 ta. Sex me so good I say blah blah blah. Work it. I need a glass of water. Boy, oh boy, it's good to know ya. Let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. It's your primitive is when yet. It's your primitive is when yet. If you got a big one, let me search it to find out how hard I gotta work. Yeah, it's your primitive is when yet. It's your primitive is when yet. If you're a fly gal, get your nails done.
Okay. Next step. May natin. So, it's and next step now ay jump, 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 jump. Up, up.
So it's leg,
Up. Parang jumping jack.
a half jump.
Left.
Alright. Leg. Alright.
Say my chocha. You do what you don't, or you will I won't try. Go downtown and eat it like a vulture. See my hips and my lips don't try.
Chorus part.
Ass and my lips don't try.
Twice gagawin sa chorus part.
It's the kind of beat that go ba ta ta. Ba ta 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 ta. Sex me so good I say blah blah blah. Work it. I need a glass of water. Boy, oh boy, it's good to know ya. Let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. It's your primitive is when yet. It's your primitive is when yet. If you got a big one, let me search it to find out how hard I gotta work. Yeah, it's your primitive is when yet. It's your primitive is when yet. If you're a fly gal, get your nails done. Get your pedicure, get your hair did. Boy, lift it up, let's make a toast. Let's get drunk, this can bring us closer. Don't I look like a Halle Berry poster? See the Belvedere playing tricks on ya. Girlfriend wanna be like me, never. You won't find a bitch that's even better. I make it hot as Las Vegas weather. Listen up close while I take it backwards. Okay, begins to get listen me with no. I'm not a prostitute, but I can give you what you want. I love your braids and your mouth full of phones. Love the way my ass go boom 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 boom. Keep your eyes on my boom 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 boom. That think you can handle this, don't. Take my thumb off and my ass go boom. Cut the lights on so you see what I can do. Let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. It's your primitive is when yet. It's your primitive is when yet. If you got a big one, let me search it to find out how hard I gotta work. Yeah, it's your primitive is when yet. It's your primitive is when yet. Boys, all type of boys. Black, white, Puerto Rican, Chinese boys. White, kaya to your time. One to kaya to your time. Girls, get that cash.
Oh, ikaw na dun sa susunod na 10 minutes. Kinombination ko na yung dalawa. Ikaw na mamili dun sa last 10 minutes.
Sige,
Bago
meron akong isang hindi sa Tabata, pero mga good for 3 minutes lang.
Sige. Go, i-share mo na yan. Pagod ako dun.
What's your, 03? Okay. We're gonna do shuffling. Shuffling.
Sige. Go.
Para
Favorite
ubos
ko yan
energy.
eh.
Ha?
Favorite ko yan.
Favorite mo?
Oo.
Pampaubos energy to.
Okay.
So again, tuwing sasabihin kong shuffle, you can go for, hindi pa nakita. You can go for everyday shuffle. Diba? Shuffle. Paano ka shuffling? Alright. Jump forward. So you jump forward, then step back, then jump forward again. Alright.
Every day a shuffle.
Every day I'm shuffling. And then you can do like a reverse twist. You can mix that. Okay? You can also do run.
Parang nagja-jump lang ako, hindi nagja-shuffle.
Enjoy lang siya.
Okay, go.
Yeah, enjoy lang siya.
Yeah.
So ganun lang. You can mix that up. You can do shuffling, reverse.
For 3 minutes?
run. Yeah.
Okay.
And then pag freestyle, you can just dance and be liberated and just do whatever you want to do. Like you can move whatever you want to move.
Okay, go. Let's do it. Grabe yung pawis ko, guys, kung nakikita.
Ako din eh.
Woohoo. Tapos gagawin ulit natin yung work. Si Arabang may workout challenge mamaya. Pwede natin gawin once yung
LMFAO.
Okay.
Wait up.
Uy, we only have 20 minutes na lang.
Almost there.
Sana po yung mga nanonood, go na, sumali na kayo sa sayawan. Sayawan. Okay.
Freestyle! You know what to do, huh?
Ha? Kaya nag-jump lang ako.
Let's go, guys! Just keep on moving, guys.
Yeah, I'm running through these halls like Drano. I got that devilish flow. No halo, we party rock. Yeah, that's the food that I'm rapping on a rise to the top. No lead in our Zeppelin. Hey. Every day I'm shuffling.
Wala ko ibang ginawa kundi mag-jump, jump, jump. Hindi man shuffle yun.
Ha? Hindi. Matagal lang at hindi napakinggan.
Anyway, let's go na dun sa dance workout na ni-ready ko. So, ito yung minom ka na ng tubig. Agad-agad to. Ito yung Get Low by Dillion and DJ Snake. I hope tama yung pronunciation ko. So guys, eto hindi siya talaga totally dance na dance. Hindi lang siya parang Zumba. Leg workout talaga siya. Pero syempre may
After
konting
shuffling, leg workout ulit.
Alam nyo, ang sabi ng trainer ko before, malakas makapag lose ng weight kapag ang laging workout mo ay leg workout. Kapag lagi mong ginagamit yung
May
legs mo.
involvement ng legs.
Oo.
Alright.
Any workout na may involvement yung legs, sobrang lakas makapag pa-lose ng weight.
Yeah.
Oh, grabe yung pawis ko.
I'm not really sure why, pero kasi baka kasi leg is a big muscle. So, big muscle group siya. So, para mas ma-activate mo siya, mas maraming energy yung kailangan mong gamitin to contract it. Kaya mas nakaka-burn ka ng calories.
Yes.
I think, not sure. Tingin ko lang.
Well, bilang nurse ka, I think, patok.
G?
Ella, patubig ka naman, Ella.
Grabe.
Punas ka ng pawis. Alam mo, minsan, hindi, salamat sa nagsabi, pero minsan, gusto ko yung feeling ng grabe yung pawis. Mas parang namomotivate pa ako lalong mag-workout. Parang more. I want more.
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Game na.
Ikaw. Kasi it's 4:44 na. So we have 15 minutes or 20 minutes left.
Okay,
Or something tayo nag-started. Ang live 1 hour lang. So again guys, thank you so much. Eto na, mag-dance workout na tayo. And next, meron kaming guest, si Rambo. May pa-workout challenge siya. So, good luck. Rambo, are you here? Are you watching? Okay. So guys, ready?
Takot to eh. When the whistle goes. Get low when the whistle goes. Get low when the whistle goes.
No, when the whistle go.
Yahoo!
Ah,
Yay! Sarap
yung,
sa legs.
kala mo simple lang pero mahirap.
Oh, dumilim ba kanina o hindi naman?
Medyo lang, medyo lang.
Medyo lang.
Medyo lang. Probably you're against the light kasi. Pero,
Yung ate ko,
naman.
nag-workout tayo, pero yung ate ko, kumakainggit. May Cheetos daw siya.
Pero
Ate
congratulations
Luchi,
kay
kung
Ate Luch.
nanonood ka man.
Ginawa niya yung workout challenge mo, nakita ko.
Oo.
Galing ni Ate Luch.
Oo. Hindi, sa ate Luchi kasi, yung ate ko, varsity player dati ng UP, di ba? Volleyball player ng UP. So, alam kong kayang-kaya niya yung mga ganong workout. Kaya i-challenge ko din siya. So, ginawa naman niya. Thanks, din niya ako binigo. Okay,
Kasi
and
Ella,
now,
si Kakay.
can we call our special guest? Because it's
We show.
4:50.
Oh,
Please
yeah.
welcome our special guest, my love, Rambo. Yung love. Naked challenge. Ano ba yun, Ella? Si Ella,
Ano sabi niya?
na-addict dun sa TikTok. Sabi niya, di ba may naked challenge sa TikTok? Sabi niya, Madge, pwede ko bang gawin yun? Papasok daw siya sa room ni Rambo, tapos nakubad daw siya. Yung reaction daw ni Rambo. To-check niya. Okay, please welcome Rambo! Woot, woot, woot.
This is a different challenge, no? Hindi to yung workout challenge mo.
Hindi, pero pwede rin natin gawin yon last
Andiyan si Ate
part.
Luchi.
Hindi, inano ko lang siya. So guys,
What's up, bro?
What's up?
Ang ganda ng mga kulay nyo, ah. I like it. I like it.
Naka-high.
Golden kayo pareho, man.
Anyway.
Walking yan. Walking every day.
yeah, 6
6
a.m.
Masaya.
Anyway, ano ang workout challenge mo for us?
Ano ba gusto mo? Ab workout?
Ab workout.
Ano
pwede.
ba ang gusto mo? Ab workout
Pwede,
na lang.
pwede. Sige.
Pero puro mga leg races.
Parang yung pinost ko kahapon.
Ano ba? Parang ganun. Sige, yun na lang.
Sige. So, ako ang magbi-video kay Rambo. Gagayahin
Ay,
ko.
be.
Brada. Tapos susunod ako.
Pa-video mo kay
Hindi.
Ella. Sabay-sabay tayo. Para mag-video.
Sige. Ella, ikaw pala mag-video. Okay, guys. Dahil dyan, anong music gusto mo, love?
Bakit hindi yung theme song ko? Wow.
Andun yung towel. Ano ka na sa towel? So,
Happy
dapat,
birthday daw kay Veronica. Hindi, it should be, it should be high.
Ella, kunan mo kami dito. Dito ka. Tapos na.
Top shot? Top shot.
Pinag-uwag ko pa muna, love. Dito ka. Ayan, dito ka. Hindi, sinigo?
Oo.
Hindi,
Bad
ikaw
na.
mas lalong ano eh.
Okay lang. Tanggal na ng braid. Basta.
Uy. So, nakaharap? Wag naman. Nakatalikod tayo. Naka-shorts ako eh.
Ito, naka-side. Sa side.
Or naka-side, my love. Naka-side.
Pare-pare tayo.
Ayan, ikaw side, brother. Ayan, eto, ganito, Ella. Yan, dyan ka. So, magmi-music kami.
May kita ko ba?
Oo, gawin niyo to, guys. Gawin, katulad din ninyo.
Oh, ire.
Okay, ready.
Ella, second.
Let's go. Yeah. Ibukan niya ng ibuka.
Make you do a double take, rock a showstopper, flow topper, head knocker, beat scholar, tail dropper, do my thing, motherfucker. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight, so lean, so mean, make that money go in, booty bouncing down the line, everybody here. Sing on acapella. We gon' make you lose control and let it go, for you know you gon' hit the floor. Rock to the beat, to the vibe. Walk in the club, it's fire. Get it.
Look to your right. Look to your left. Go, Tao. Kaya mo yan, Tao.
Tapos na ba?
Okay.
Everybody here, get it out of control.
So, brother, are you still alive?
No! Grabe yun. Grabe yun, bro. Hindi ako
Okay,
prepared.
diba?
Ha?
Hindi ako prepared.
Hindi ka prepared doon?
Hindi.
Tigi ilang, ano yun, love?
Take the 12 reps.
So, 12 na, paganyan ba muna?
Pwede
Yeah.
naman.
Ikot.
Paganyan,
Ganun.
ikot,
Tapos yung
and then
yung reverse.
reverse,
nun.
and then pa-L,
Yeah.
pa-L,
Tapos
and then-
inverted na V.
paganyan, na V, and then scoop. Ay, tama ba?
Yeah. Scoop.
And
Tapos
then,
yung bicycle.
ay, bicycle. Tapos,
Tapos, tapos,
Plank.
X, kasi deads ka na. Thanks, love. You wanna do it one more? Kayong dalawa ni Tao?
okay. Okay na ako.
Or gusto mong gawin yung, last time?
Ano, next? Sa susunod natin, mas prepared
Kaya
tayo.
yan! Let's do it!
Good.
Ano? Isa
Sige.
lang. Okay, let's do it.
Okay. So,
Ikaw naman mag-video, love.
yeah.
Sige.
Guys,
Okay,
ito na yan,
pwede
ah.
ganyan lang, ha?
Ito na yan sa mga avid viewers natin.
Yeah.
Ito.
So, ano naman po?
Oops.
Okay guys, ingat kayo sa ingat kayo sa ano nyo, sa elbows nyo, na huwag nyo ilapag ng mabilis. Baka mabalian naman kayo ng buto.
Oo.
Move.
Napanood ako.
Tapos, dapat hindi masyadong
Grabe yung
mataas.
bagsak ng
Brother,
elbows nyo.
masyadong mataas yung
Oh.
yung
Yeah.
body area.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Already. Lapit mo.
Pala, may tanong na ako. Sino ba talaga gumawa?
Sino yan?
Go. Ready?
Okay, ready.
Ready, Tao?
Ready?
Ready?
Brother, ganito muna. Okay. Ready.
I ain't tryna. I ain't tryna. I ain't tryna. Ain't tryna be cool like you. Wobbling around in your high shoes, so clumsy. Made friends with the floor. 2 for 1, you know a bitch buys 4. And let's see, you know I always rock. First thing a girl did was rock on the house and taking a cherry on top. Took up the bottom and I said, girl, when did you hear the party? Came in the club tryna pay for Barbie. I don't wanna go with the flow back then till I touch my toes. I don't wanna go the go. This full of rocks and I hope I flow. Big up yourself 'cause you know they don't. I shoot 'cause they hope I flow. I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, and I shine like glass in my bitch. I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, and I shine like glass in my bitch. I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, and I shine like glass in my bitch. I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, and I shine like glass. After you've been the beast boy, I've been the sky when you've been the seahorse. Don't need a report, don't need a press run. All of my bad pics been all my best ones. I wear the hat and I wear the pants. I am the dance.
So, ano na? Nagawa ba?
Yes. Guys, again, if you have extra, please donate.
Yes.
It's for
Please
our
donate.
frontliners who's really fighting for our lives right now.
Yeah.
Huwag natin sila bigyan ng chance pag-isipan kung ano yung kakain nila sa pang-araw-araw. And by simply donating as any amount will truly help them sa pang-araw-araw nila, guys. That's why we're doing this. Para pare-pareho tayo nagtutulong-tulong for one common goal, which is to help our frontliners.
Yes, again, any amount po, ulitin namin na ang breakfast ay worth 40 pesos. And ang dinner or lunch ay 70 pesos po. So, 40 pesos, malaking tulong na po yun. Isang meal para sa ating frontliner. Kaya, sana po, if you have extra money, ayan, makapag-share po tayo kahit pa paano.
Yeah.
Yun. And
don't
of
forget,
course,
you can
bago
go
pa
to-
matapos, ha?
They can go to Pop-Up Digital handle. And then nakalagay po
Yes.
dun sa, ayan po, kung hindi po kayo pumunta sa Pop-Up Digital, ito po, nakapin po sa baba, how to donate.
Yeah.
So you can either
Yes.
do that or go to Pop-Up Digital handle and then check kung ano yung link dun sa may profile nila.
Mm-hmm. And again, thank you, love. Parang umiiyak sa pawis. Thank you, love, for your workout
Oh, si
challenge.
Ken.
Hi, Kane.
Kenny.
Mamaya, i-record namin yung workout challenge ni Rambo. Tapos ipopost ko sa feed. So, para mag-challenge tayo ulit. So, yun. Again, thank you for today, guys.
Thank you,
Happy
guys.
Friday. So,
Happy Friday.
Weekend na. So, this weekend, wala muna kami ni Tao. But hopefully, on Monday, magbabalik kami. Kung
Yes.
anong time,
Watch out.
we'll announce it, yes, soon. Maybe Saturday or Sunday.
Yeah.
And please, kung may videos kayo, tag us, tapos
Yeah.
sabihan nyo kami kung anong mas gusto nyo, if morning yung live or better paghapon.
Mhm.
Siyempre, mas maraming makaka-join, mas masaya, di ba? So, kung ano yung mas maraming free na gusto mag-join umaga or hapon, dun kami.
Yes. So again, thank you, Mash. Thank you, bro. Thank you, Pop Up Digital.
Thank you.
Thank you guys
Lola,
for
gusto
watching,
rin
for
ka?
working out with us. Maraming salamat po. Thank you for inviting me.
Thanks, Tao. Yeah, yun. So, follow niyo yung popup.digital sa Instagram. So, aside from kay Maha and Tao, like, meron pa kaming mga ibang mga artists and ibang performers, ibang friends namin na nag-share din ng time nila tsaka talent to entertain you guys at home. So, nandun yung mga schedule nila. So, yun, follow nyo lang and just, be with us for the rest of the quarantine period.
Yes. Again, stay at home, guys. Don't forget na mag-wash ng hands. And stay strong. At ayun, may nag-workout na. Yan, as much as possible, mag-workout. Yan.
Alright.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, brother.
Yes, meron.
Rambo, may TikTok ka. Yes, Rambo. Ano?
Rambotronic.
Rambotronic. Oo. Yan. Go. Si Sisi ba yan? Sino yan? Or pamangkin?
May pamangkin.
Okay. Si Dave, busy magbarangay.
Basic. See?
Grabe yung pawis ko. Super nag-enjoy ako, guys. Sana nag-enjoy din kayo. Thank you, everyone. We'll see you maybe on Monday.
Yep.
Thank you. Stay safe.
Thank you,
Bye,
guys.
brother. Love you.
Have a good weekend. Love you.
Magkakantahan daw tayo sa Monday kung pwede. Sure, why not? Pero okay lang, ha?
Picture.
Ha?
Picture.
Picture.
Alright.
Okay, bye.
Okay.
Thank you, guys.
Bye.
Super nag-enjoy kayo. Super nag-enjoy kami. Bye.